मर जाए राजा इस देश दा ये तो बेड़ा वेरे कख ना राज कंजर दा की बिगाड़ दिता जो तू ओनु गाला कड्डी जाने तू राजे दा मामा लगने जेड़े तेनु इन्ना दुख होए
नहीं नहीं इन्ना दा मतलब सी तुसी सानू अपना दुख दसो शायद ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੁਝ मदद कर ਸਕੀਏ
ओए तुसी की मदद करोगे तुस ते आप भुखे नंगे नहीं ने
पर फिर भी दास्ता सही तेरे राज नाल की दुख है साडे कुछ दा पल्ले पा
लगता है तू जरूर राजे दे सौरे जो है जेड़ा तेनु इन्नी पीड़ होई
बेड़ा गर्क हो जे ओए राजा तेरा बेड़ा गर्क हो जे
तू दोवें सिरा बोलदे बोलदे अपने पिंड ताई पहुंच जा
ओए राजा तेरा बेड़ा गर्क हो जे ओए राजा तेरा बेड़ा गर्क हो जे
वेख लैणिया राजिया वे तेरा कख ना रहे हाय मैं मर गई वे राजिया तेरा दुरफिट्टे मुंह हाय मेरा पुत्त
की गल होगी माता
ए पुत्रो 3 साल हो गए मैनू मंगती बन के गुजारा करती नूं मर जे हो राजा जिहदी फौज विच मेरा को एक पुत्त गया मुड़ के नहीं आया पुत्त बारे पता लगा सी कि जंग च शहीद हो गया पर मेरा दिल नहीं मानता लख लानत इहो जिहे राजे ते हे राजियां ते ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਮਰਵਾਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਵੇ ਰਾਜਿਓ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੱਖ ਨਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਏ ਮੈਂ ਮਰ ਗਈ ਵੇ ਰਾਜਿਓ
ਦਵਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ बोल महीना समय सिर पहुंचाएगा कि नहीं नागा ते नहीं पहन देगा चंगा हुण तितर हो जा नहीं तो कुक्कड़ बना के धुप्पे पट्टा फेरूंगा
ओए वेख्या भरावा ਇੱਥੇ ਗਰੀਬ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ ਤੇ ਕੁੱਟਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਮਰ ਜਾ ਹੋ ਜਾ ਰਾਜਾ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਰਾਸਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਸਾਫ ਕਰਤ ਬੇਇਨਸਾਫੀ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕੋਈ ਕਸੂਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਕਸੂਰ ਤੇਰੀ ਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਵਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਚੌਂਚੀ ਰੇੜੀ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਸਮਾਨ ਵੇਚਦਾ ਇਹ ਸਿਪਾਹੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਭਰਿਆ ਕਰ ਦੱਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਗਰੀਬ ਹੁਣ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਭਰਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਬਿਲੜਾਂ ਨੂੰ
चल कोई ना फिकर ना कर आ मेरे नाल मैं गल कर
ਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ
मैं नाल दे पिंड दा सरपंच हां आ मेरे नाल क्यों कोतवाल साहब तुसी इस गरीब नु क्यों कुटिया मैं थोड़ी राजे को शिकायत करांगा
तू ਇਹਦਾ ਮਾਮਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਇਹਦੀ ਸਿਫਾਰਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਆਏ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੋਤਵਾਲੀ ਚ ਰਾਜ ਰਾਜੇ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਡੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਮੁਰਗਾ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਬੋਲੋ ਹਜ਼ੂਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਾਫ ਕਰੋ
हजूर सानू माफ करो हजूर सानू माफ करो हजूर इस नगरी नु टुੱਟਪਾਸੀ आदत पै गई है
पर लोकां नु मिलांगे किवें
जिवें पहले मिलते सां सानू नारे लाने आंदे ने
धुंधला जाए जो मंजिलें कमल को तो नजर झुकाए तेरी किस्मत तू बदल दे रखी हिम्मत बस चल दे तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के है निशान तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा सानू एक पल चैन लावे सानू एक पल चैन लावे सजना तेरे बिना सजना तेरे बिना सानू एक पल चैन लावे गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति देशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते मयि जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनं प्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुङ्ग हिमालय शृङ्गनिलालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधुकैटभगञ्जिनि कैटभगञ्जिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते मयि शरणागत वैरिवधूवर वीरवराभयदायकरे त्रिभुवनमस्तकशूलविरोधि शिरोधि कृतामलशूलकरे तुमिदुमितामर कुन्तुभिनादमहोमुखरीकृतचिन्मकरे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
A law in the city of Athens gives power to its citizens to compel their daughters to marry the man they choose. And if the daughter refuses, the father is empowered by this law to put her to death.
Vexation come I, with complaint against my child, my daughter Hermia, my noble lord, this man Demetrius, had my consent to marry her, and my gracious duke, this man Lysander, hath possessed the bosom of my child.
What do you say, Hermia? Demetrius is a worthy gentleman.
So is Lysander, my noble duke.
In himself he is. But as for your father's word, the other must be worthier.
I do entreat your grace to pardon. So I beseech your grace that me I know the first act of the world if I refuse to wed Demetrius.
Well, in that case, we have to die the death. Take time to pause and decide by the next new moon.
Oh, my noble lord, I am as well derived as he, as well possessed. My love is more than that. I am beloved of my beauteous Hermia. Then why should not I prosecute my right? This man, my lord, this man He made love to Negar's daughter Helena and dumped her to pursue Hermia. Is this true love? So, considering my love, if you won't give me consent to marry Hermia, there's no force in the decrees of Athens that can stop me from marrying her. Please, don't worry, my love. I have an idea. Listen, Hermia. Hermia, may I marry thee there and in the woods? The sharp that you love cannot pursue.
Yes, I will, Alexander.
So, run away from your father's house tomorrow night, and I shall wait for you in the woods.
I will get you down, my love.
He promised, my love, I will wait for you. Oh, here comes Helena. My love, I will wait.
I'll go and tell Demetrius of Hermia's plight. Then, to the woods he'll pursue tomorrow night. I'll get a chance to have his sight, hither and back again.
Am I not thy lord? Why does thy Titania cross her Oberon? Give me only a chance to be boy to be my page.
Set your heart at rest. Your whole fairy kingdom lies not the boy of you.
Well, go your way. Before the morning dawn, I will torment you for this injury. Is this crow made of banana peels that you keep slipping on it?
Sorry, master.
Now listen. I need you to fetch me the flower which the maids call love in idleness. Some of the juice of that flower on sleeping eyelids will make a man or woman madly dart upon the next side picture they see.
Demetrius,
Where are you?
Demetrius,
I love thee not, therefore pursue me not. I'll run from thee and leave thee to the mercy of wild beasts.
the wildest has got such a heart as you. I'll follow thee and make the heaven of hell to die upon the hand. I love so well, I love so well, I love so well.
He is the blood of my lord. Sorry, master.
What were you thinking?
The flower, fairy lord.
So this is it.
Yes.
Take a part of it then. There has been a sweet Athenian lady in love with a disdainful youth. When you find him asleep, drops off that hurt tooth
When
onto his
Titania is
eyelid.
fast asleep, Oberon, the fairy king, draws near her and drops some of the love juice on her eyelids. And after anointing Titania's eyes, he finds himself a safe place from where he can see what happens thereafter.
This fella shall be my Titania's true love.
The clown is unaware and confused of what has happened to him. Titania opens her eyes and the juice of the little purple flower begins to take its effect.
Oh, my love, you're so beautiful. Come, my love. Please come, my love.
And here, Oberon is so pleased that his tactics have worked and he has taken his revenge.
Oh, here are you. Fair love, it's a long time we are traveling. You must be tired. Let's have some rest and relax ourselves.
It's so, Alexander. You rest here comfortably.
On seeing a handsome young man asleep and perceiving that his clothes were made in the Athenian fashion and that a pretty lady is sleeping near him, Puck concludes that this must be the Athenian maid and a disdainful lover whom Oberon had sent him to seek. So without much ado, he proceeds to pour some of the juice of the little flower into his eyelids.
Stay on thy merit. I don't want to talk to you.
Helena feels sad as Demetrius has ditched her.
Ouch!
While following Demetrius, she sees Lysander lying on the ground.
Who's here? Lysander? On the ground? Dead?
Bad luck.
Or asleep?
Lysander, on waking up, first sees Helena, so he falls in love with her.
Oh, Helena, I will run through fire for thy sweet sake.
Stop teasing me, Lysander.
No, sweetheart,
Stop this nonsense.
I'm serious.
I thought you were a man of more true gentleness.
Listen, Helena.
Tired of looking for Hermia in the woods for so long, Demetrius lies down to rest.
Susie, when we were looking for.
But whose eyes I anointed was different?
Oh, Puck, what he's no done? Oh, he's mistaken and laid the love juice on someone's true sight. About who was Goldshifter? Then hold on. Find Helena of Athens. Bring her here. A charm as I she do appear.
After Puck leaves, Oberon squeezes the flower juice on Demetrius' eyelids and waits there for Helena to come.
Oh, Helen, goddess, nymph, perfect, divine. To what, my love, shall I compare your eyes? Hey, what is this? You should not be unkind, Demetrius. For your love, Hermia.
For spite? Oh, hell! I see you both are bent to set against me for your merriment.
Lysander, keep thy Hermia. I don't need her. If I ever loved her, all that love is gone.
Helena feels happy to hear it, for she has got Demetrius back.
Believe me, the king of shadows, I mistook.
Now leave Lysander astray. Do so till he is no weary and can go no further. And when you find him asleep, drop this herb juice onto his eyelids. That all this derision shall seem like a dream and a fruitless vision.
Yes, my fairy lord. Up and down, up and down. I will lead him up and down.
Puck follows his master's order and leads Lysander from one place to another in the woods for so long.
I think I should have some rest.
On the ground, sleep sound. I'll apply to your eyes. Gentle, loving remedy.
When Lysander is fast asleep, Oberon squeezes the herb juice on his eyelids.
Wake up, Lysander, wake up.
Lysander, on waking up, is happy and delighted to see his dear Hermia near. The effect of the fairy charm has vanished with the antidote.
Thank God. It was just a nightmare.
Lysander, what are you talking about?
Nothing to bother you, my love. Let's leave it.
Looking for his daughter Hermia, happens to see Demetrius and Helena together.
Hey, what's this? Demetrius with Helena? You no, sir, Demetrius. I won't
Leave him, father, leave him.
Please come in.
He's not good for me. I love Lysander and beg your consent to marry him.
Well, lovers, we are fortunately met. We shall eternally be wed. I'll hold a feast in great solemnity.
Thanks a lot, Father.
Which they undergone in their sleep. A pretty harmless midsummer night's dream.
also share with you, this is 450 years of Shakespeare's passing away as well, since his death. So I think it's a great tribute to the wonderful poet, writer, and whatever he's left for the generations. I think from Sangrur, it's a small tribute to Shakespeare, which I feel is very special in a way. And being on Shakespeare, I think it's also special to note the teachers who have made this possible. I think what we need to appreciate is our director's vision and our principal's vision. I won't forget. I think it's a great moment for the school to be self-sufficient, to be self-reliant. I think is also very important at this stage. And once again, thank you all. And the other aspect of old age, which they depicted in, which is also a reality, we are also seeing कि साडे नज़दीक बिरध आश्रम खुल रहे ने, बुजुर्गों को जिन्ना मान सम्मान मिलना चाहिए उस किस्म का प्यार घरां च नहीं मिल रहा. So I think it's very vital that we stay connected to our values, and we are able to respect the elders in our homes. I think that is another message to the school and to the school children who will take this forward. So on that wonderful note, God bless our school, God bless DGS.
We are really glad that you have come over this evening and stayed back for this program. Naliwal and the team. Everything went off well. Next time, everybody will do Bhangra. So all our last item would be Bhangra for all houses. But it will be not on points. But you will still do the folk dance of other states. Dandiya, you have so many other dances across the Goanis dance, the Bihu and all that which you saw on the sports day. And if you learn that in your school days, it will be always nice for you to do that. So thank you so much once again, and thanks a lot for all the parents who have come in here to encourage our children. And good night. Thank you so much.
I'm also very much thankful to our worthy judges who have been judging the events which have been meticulously prepared by the Zorawar House students under the able guidance of the Zorawar House. I am very much thankful to the director sir who has given a good platform to the students to excel their skills. I am also thankful to the worthy audience and parents who have come here to boost up the confidence of their children. I would be failing in my duties if I don't thank my whole Zorawar team, my students, my teachers, with whose involvement I was not possible to manage all the programs. And above all, I am very much thankful to the administrative staff, the supporting staff who has supported me in every aspect. Thank you. Thank you, sir.